have Mr. Abbas here from DG Gold, and he's going to talk more about his business model here. So, sir, please tell us more about DG Gold.
डिजी गोल्ड इज़ इनटू बेसिकली इट्स एन ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ से लोग डिजी गोल्ड ऑनलाइन खरीद सकते हैं,
Okay.
ठीक है, सेल कर सकते हैं, गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं और फिजिकली डिलीवरी भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो बेसिकली डिजी गोल्ड थोड़ा फिजिकल मार्केट से अलग है, ठीक है. सो नॉर्मली कैसा होता है कि फिजिकल मार्केट के अंदर आज किसी को गोल्ड खरीदना होता है तो आपको भी पता है कि मिनिमम 1 ग्राम की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है या फिर 0.5 ग्राम की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, ठीक है. बट वॉट इफ़ a person doesn't have that amount right now और उसको छोटे छोटे अमाउंट के अंदर गोल्ड बाय करना है, ठीक है. सो दैट्स वेयर डिजी गोल्ड प्रोवाइड्स दिस फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कि आज कोई भी इंसान 1 रुपये से चालू करके, ठीक है, 100 रुपये, 200 रुपये, 500, 1000 जितनी अमाउंट का गोल्ड वो बाय करना चाहता है वो बाय कर सकता है, ठीक है. दूसरा प्रॉब्लम रहता है सिक्योरिटी का. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं आज फिजिकल गोल्ड बाय करके घर पे भी रख देता तो हमेशा मुझे एक सिक्योरिटी का इश्यूज़ रहता है, ठीक है. पर अगर आप डिजी गोल्ड से कोई भी गोल्ड बाय करते हो तो सिक्योर वॉलेट में रहता है, ठीक है, इनका गोल्ड, ठीक है, और डिजी गोल्ड उसकी सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करता है. सो अ पर्सन डजंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट द सिक्योरिटी एज वेल. और फिर वो जब चाहे तब आइदर वो गोल्ड को सेल कर सकता है या तो वो फिर फिजिकली डिलीवरी मांग सकता है.
Consumers in India are very hard to adapt with. They are not like they want always things to be traditional way. So how do you see as a challenge?
When we talk about ट्रेडिशनल वेज, नो डाउट डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म को लेकर बहुत सारे लोग स्केप्टिकल है या फिर अवेयरनेस इतना नहीं है, ठीक है. सिक्योरिटीज़ को लेकर बहुत सारा माइंड सेट अलग होता है, ठीक है. बट स्लोली इंडिया इज़ चेंजिंग, इंडिया डिजिटलाइज हो रहा है और धीरे धीरे हमने ये चेंज भी देखा है कि लोगों के अंदर आते हुए.
Where do you see it as a challenge that how are you going to overcome more and more people will go into digital form of investment in gold?
That's where we are trying to motivate the people. Okay, we are bringing the awareness about this thing.
Okay.
If someone wants to save, okay, so that is our ideology. Okay, we want people to save. Okay, that's we are trying to motivate people. And why not to save in precious metal? If you can, okay, because you also know that gold is forever. तो अगर सेविंग्स ही करना है तो कोई प्रेशियस मेटल में क्यों नहीं. ओके, और ऐसा आपके पास ऑप्शन मिलता है जहाँ पर वो ऑनलाइन रहता है, आपको ना ही सिक्योरिटी का इशू है और आपको कंप्लीट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मिलती है, राइट, कि आप जो अमाउंट का सेविंग करना चाहते हो कर सकते हो, ठीक है. जब भी आप सेल करना चाहते हो कर सकते हो, जब आप फिजिकल डिलीवरी मंगवाना चाहते हो आप कर सकते हो, ठीक है. और तीसरा ऑप्शन गोल्ड का क्या आता है कि यू कैन ऑल्सो और समटाइम्स यू ऑल्सो वॉन्ट ज्वेलरी. And that's where we are bringing this Jewelers Partners program.
The features that you are providing in DigiGold platform.
Right. So अभी भी एक तीसरा ऑप्शन ये है कि we have 5 lakh customers, okay, on our platform, जहाँ पर हम ज्वेलर पार्टनर्स को भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा कि जहाँ से हमारे 5 लाख कस्टमर है वो उनके कस्टमर बन सकते हैं और हमारे कस्टमर ज्वेलरी के एक्सचेंज में अपना डिजी गोल्ड देंगे.
What's the after investing in digital gold? What are the options for available?
If you are saving in digi gold, then you have 3 options. Like you can sell whenever you want at the live selling price. ठीक है. Second, you can ask for physical delivery. Okay, that can be in the form of bars or coins. Okay, and third thing that we are exploring right now that you can exchange with our partners jewelers. Okay. So you can buy the jewelry and in exchange you can give the DigiGold or transfer DigiGold to their wallet.
Educating Indian consumers has always been so tough. So how is the process here? It's so complicated or it's a simple, easy steps?
No, it is very simple process. You just have to download the app. Okay, you have to register over the app with basic information like your phone number, name, email ID, address. Okay, and you can start buying the gold. Okay, at minimum as 1 rupee. Okay. Now, if whenever you want to sell, you just have to click on sell. You have to fill the amount कि आप ग्राम के हिसाब से सेल करना चाहते हो या अमाउंट के हिसाब से सेल करना चाहते हो. You just have to mention your bank details. ठीक है. You have to do the KYC as per government regulations, and within 3 to 4 days you will receive the amount in your wallet or in your bank.
Initiatives that you are taking to draw these young consumers. So do you see it as an opportunity or something as a problem?
Yeah, so there is a huge opportunity, I will say. Okay, so what you said is right. Like जब भी सैलरी आती है उससे पहले तो लोग क्रेडिट कार्ड के थ्रू यूज़ कर देते हैं, ठीक है. So that's where we are trying to motivate people to save. Okay. So हमारा पहला ही ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि we want India to save in gold. Okay, that's our intention. आज समझो कि कोई छोटे से रिक्शा वाला भी हो, then also he has the opportunity to save in gold. भले वो 1 रुपये से चालू करे वो कर सकता है. आज कोई लड़का चाय की किटली के ऊपर चाय बेच रहा है वो भी 1 रुपये से एटलीस्ट गोल्ड के अंदर सेव कर सकता है, ठीक है. दैट काइंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी, दैट काइंड ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी वी वांट टू गिव टू इंडिया एंड दैट इज आवर गोल एंड इंटेंशन.
What are the challenges that digital gold must be facing and how digital gold is overcoming these challenges according to you?
See, right now I can say after being in 2.5 years of experience on the continuously digital platforms, I can say this is an little unmature audience right now. It's going to be mature within 1 or 2 years. People used to be very digitalized right now, so they will come to know how to take gold and silver as well to secure wallet. So now the big challenge is to continuously guide to the customers to take gold. Gold is now too easy with the very secure things. So to guide, to give entire brief, that is a bigger challenge right now we are facing. But yeah, after once we touched toward the client, we are getting like 80 to 90% returns of that.
Okay.
They are the good buyers. Again, they are coming back.
Retention is good.
Yeah, retention is very good. Even we are totally surprised, and that is the power that we are promoting DigiGold continuously on that.
Who are the people actually investing in DigiGold? The young buyers or the middle-aged buyer or the retired ones? So who are you seeing?
It's an totally surprise for us as well. I can say like more than 50% is in young buyers.
Okay.
But like after the 30 plus age also, they are also continuously buying over there. We have a web portals as well. Many of the competitors, also many of the digital other players are only have an app. But if you feel that more than 40 years of the customers prefer to buy from web, because they still need something trusted things over there. There's a require that we totally surprise over there. So both kind of buyers, but more about the young as people are coming. More young people are coming for 100 rupees or the 50 rupees daily buyers over there.
So any marketing campaigns or any initiative that you are taking to take more and more of young generation?
After completing the successfully 2 years over there, we are introducing very updated app versions to the entire customers.
Okay.
Especially for the young people, can be very user friendly our app. Updated version can be like, that is a companion of your gold and silver partners. It can be if you want to buy jewelry, if you want to take a physical delivery, is it too easy for them? So these updated versions we are launching very soon. Okay. As well as we are also launching a B2B platforms. That is especially for the jewelers. Jewelry can also sell from our platforms. So we have more than 5 lakh customers. Jewelers can also sell to our client jewelry, converting to the DigiGold. So these are the upcoming. For that we are thinking and researching and analyzing and brainstorming the entire campaign for the pan India.
Best of luck to you.
Thank
and
you.
You got a
Thank you.
customer actually. I am going to check the DigiGold about it and sure.
Definitely, you just go through it and give it a very genuine answer over there.
So basically you were concerned about the security thing, right?
Yeah.
How people are going to trust us.
Yes.
कि ये digital platform है, gold जो भी होगा वो purity कैसी रहेगी, ठीक है? Then I would like to mention that कि this DigiGold, okay, is a product of Amrapali Group, okay? और Amrapali Group का already 40 years का legacy है, ठीक है? In gold market, so they are in top 5 bullions of India, okay? So that's where the legacy comes in. तो इसके पीछे एक बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है, एक ट्रस्टेड कंपनी है, ठीक है? दूसरी चीज़ जो गोल्ड आता है, ठीक है, वो रिफाइनरी से आता है, जो गवर्नमेंट अप्रूव्ड रिफाइनरी है, दैट इज गुजरात गोल्ड सेंटर, ठीक है? सो दैट्स वेयर दे गेट द एश्योरिटी ऑफ द प्योरिटी, ओके? और वी टेक केयर अबाउट ऑल द compliances by government, okay? And the application is also by tested with cyber security laws as per the government, okay? So that's where we have taken care of each and every corner of security, okay?
So this is the best point, that security and cyber security features are there. So people are coming back and back. Like retention ratio is very high. So that's why there are people like asking. First buyer always asks to us like, this is a secure or not?
Exactly.
Will get or not, or something like. So in this industry, we are giving very trusted platform to the young generation of the India. Okay. So this is our motto, that we give a very trusted platforms without any kind of a failure. Okay. So this is our main motto, to give the best solutions with the tech solutions.
That's great to hear. Thank you so much. Thank you.